Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 400, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, which is located in the Tools folder, by default at least. In here, once you have it open, click on the three dots in the corner and select Settings, and from Settings choose Import Export. Next, select Import from SIM, and this will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. You can quickly select all of them by checking the box right here, and if you want most of them but not all, you can obviously deselect some of them manually, or select them also. Next, click on Import and choose where you want to import your contacts to. I have two options, phone and the Google account, and I can choose either one of them regardless if these contacts already exist in that location or not, which I know that all of these contacts exist on the Google account. So if I select that, I believe it will create duplicates. It doesn't give us any kind of notification if it's imported or anything. It could be that it just kind of blocks it in this case manually from importing, because these contacts do exist there, as you can see right here. Now we have another one here, but you can see there's a SIM card icon, meaning that these are just on a SIM card and not on a phone or Google account. But yeah, that's basically how you import your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.